Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a glow face oil for mature skin. This is a simple formulation that includes essential oils. There's no water, no preservatives, and it's beginner friendly. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how to make this. To create this face oil, the first ingredient I am going to go ahead and put into the speaker is jojoba oil. This mimics the natural sebum that we already have on our skin. It's going to be deeply hydrating, as well as it's going to help to improve elasticity and boost collagen production. It contains vitamins A and E, as well as other antioxidants that will help to prevent premature aging and environmental damage. Now, this is a fast absorbing, non-greasy oil, perfect for use on the face. To the jojoba oil, I'm adding some red raspberry seed oil. This is a great source of alpha linoleic acid, and that is an essential fatty acid that is great for helping to regenerate new cells, as well as being an overall great oil for anti-aging benefits. Now, this contains vitamin E, which is a wonderful antioxidant, and that can help to not only hydrate the skin, but it's going to be great for reducing any inflammation that might be present. This next oil that I'm incorporating in this formula is meadow foam seed oil. This is another great oil that mimics the natural sebum production that we produce. It's lightweight and non-greasy. And what I love about this oil is not only is it high in vitamin E, but it's great for strengthening the skin's barrier. It's also going to be great for promoting cell renewal as it exfoliates dead skin cells. So you're going to be left with brighter and more youthful skin, and it's good for really plumping up the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to keep the skin nice and hydrated and soft. Another wonderful carrier oil is rose hip seed oil. This is great for boosting collagen production as well as evening out the skin tone. It does contain vitamins A, C, and E, and it's considered a dry oil. So that simply means that once applied to the skin is lightweight and fast absorbing and non-greasy. Because vitamin E has so many wonderful benefits for mature skin, like improving elasticity and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, it's also really good for prolonging the shelf life of the other ingredients being used, and that is why I'm adding some today. Now that I have the carrier oils that I want to use in this formula, I'm going to go ahead and add some essential oils, starting with frankincense. This is going to help to tighten the skin and reduce wrinkles as well as fine lines. Now, this tends to have a deep woodsy scent to it as well. Next, I'm adding lavender essential oil. This is going to help to boost collagen production as well as tone and tighten the skin, and this has a very floral scent. The last essential oil that I'm using is what's known as geranium, and this is going to help to reduce the size of wrinkles and tighten the pores. This has a very sweet and rose scent with a slight mint undertone to it. Now that I've added the essential oils, I'm going to go ahead and stir this for approximately 60 seconds, just making sure that all of the ingredients are nicely combined. Now, once the stirring's been done, I'm going to go ahead and simply pour everything into my dropper bottle. Now, the dropper bottle, along with the formula, makes approximately 1 ounce of face oil, and you don't need a whole lot to apply to your face because a little goes a long way. Now, I designed this formula to support and help mature skin, boost collagen production, tighten and tone the skin, as well as giving it some much needed hydration. Now, this is something that you can use daily, and it will help to support nice, healthy, younger looking skin. This is how I like to use this oil on my own skin. So what I do is I apply the oil, just a couple drops, to some clean, dry skin. And then once I've applied the oil, I just gently rub it in. Now, this will absorb very quickly, and it will leave the skin feeling nice and soft. And you'll feel like your skin is very just hydrated. It won't feel tight. And I like that the essential oil blend that I used is not overpowering. It's very light. So here are substitutions that I have for this formula. For the jojoba oil, use pomegranate oil. Argan oil can be used in place of red raspberry seed oil, and instead of meadow foam oil, use jojoba oil. Now, evening primrose oil can be used for the rosehip seed oil. Other essential oils for mature skin are going to be rose, sandalwood, and helichrysum. Now, again, this does make 1 ounce of face oil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.